Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we're going to take a look at a Panasonic zoom lens, the 12 to 35 millimeter on your Micro Four Thirds camera that roughly works out to 24 to 70 millimeters. This is an f2.8 all the way through the zoom range. This is the version 2 of this lens, and the lens features optical image stabilization, and there's a switch on the side of the lens to turn it on and off. And if you have one of the Panasonic cameras with a built-in IBIS, this lens does support a dual IS, version 2.0. Okay, so let's talk about some of the differences between version 1 and version 2. Okay, so version 1 does support dual IS, but is version 1.0, and the 2.0 is a little smoother. Also, you'll find with this lens, the frame is a little bit wider on the wide end of the lens compared to version 1. Okay, so let's move on to the video portion. So coming up here, we're going to take a look at some test shots. This was all recorded 10-bit on the GH5S. And to get an idea, and here I was zoomed in a little bit on Bob's big boy, and it does a pretty good job. The lens is very sharp, wide open. All these shots were shot wide open here. Here also the lens was I think it was zoomed in about halfway, and you can see the bokeh in the background. It looks pretty good. Okay, here the lens was wide open and at its widest position. And it looks pretty good. It's pretty sharp. You can see the detail in the corners. Let's talk about the downsides, what I don't like about this lens. The first thing is I wish the lens had more reach. I wish it went from 12 to 60 millimeters. Panasonic makes a lens like that. The problem is the lens is slow. It's not a constant aperture lens. It's a variable 2.8 to f4.0. And I like constant aperture lenses for various reasons. One is speed. But this lens is very sharp and does do a good job for what it does. But it's just something to be aware of. Guys, there's my quick look at the Panasonic 12 to 35 version 2.0. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. A lot of interesting things coming up very shortly. Be sure to hit that like button if you like what you're seeing here. And thank you very much and have a wonderful day.